Well, this is me and Rhum for a change, and that's Baskerville in the centre of the picture. I was half thinking of climbing it, but then I didn't really have enough time, so I've come up a mountain road, and I'm standing about 1,000 feet, exactly 1,000 feet above sea level. I've climbed up this road. It's taking me a couple of hours. Pretty silly. That's view out from Rhum to Gaul. Pan round, Storey. There's a little lochen that's Baskerville, and the other two peaks, Trollowell or whatever. On my way back down, boat's anchored in the Screesort and Rhum, and probably back in about an hour's time. Perfect weather. Stormy weather forecast for tomorrow night and a wet day on Sunday. So I may or may not be here. It'll depend on the forecast. As I'll get later on tonight and first thing tomorrow morning. Another perfect day. Got a cloud in sight. Baskerville is about 2,800 feet up, so that's about 1,800 feet I'm looking at.